So here we have a question. It's 6 plus 24 divide 8 multiply 3. Okay. So let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. First priority is parentheses. Second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication. In division, here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division. In both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to 6 plus, first we have to solve this division. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3 multiply 3. So now, according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 6 plus, now 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Okay. So the correct answer is 15.